Hi, welcome to Feliz Math Tutor. In the previous videos, we talk about vertex form of parabola and transformation of parabola. Now we will talk about vertex point and the axis of symmetry on the on the vertex form of parabola. So let's say we have y equals a, x minus h to the square plus k. So this is our vertex form of parabola. So here h and k represent vertex point and x equals h is the axis of symmetry. So let's think about an example. Y equals 3 x plus 2 to the square minus 2 minus 1. So this is vertex form in the vertex form. So 2 and 1 represent vertex point since it is plus here, but in our form it's negative. So we will say -2 and -1 is my vertex point. And as you can see, x equals 2 line in the red is my axis of symmetry. So my parabola is symmetric to this line. And in the second note, in A is represent vertical stretch factor, let's say. So this A means many things, like if the A is bigger than 1, our parabola will be narrower than y equals x squared. And yeah, and if A is between 1 and 0, our parabola will be wider than y equals x squared. But we are talking about absolute value of A. So if it's negative, we will think it's positive because we are using absolute value here. And then without absolute value, if A is negative, means if it's less than 0, our parabola will be open down. If it's bigger than 0, it will open up. So what I mean open up is like this one is open up. And in the purple parabola is the open down. So let's talk about this example here. So in the first example, it's my original function actually, and a is positive 1. So it's normal function, so we are not doing anything. In the second example, if it is a is -1 and it is less than 0, so it's open down. So my blue function here, it's open down, as you can see. Blue functions open down. In the third example, a is 3, which is bigger than 1, so it is narrower than original function. So my original function was this black one, and my orange function is narrower than original function because 3 is bigger than 1. So it says here a is bigger than 1, so it is narrower than y equals x squared. And my fourth function is the green one. So my a is 1/3. So 1/3 is between 0 and 1. So here, so it says wider than y equals x squared. So my green function, which is here, is wider than original function. Yes, it is wider. And the fifth function is the y equals -3. So my a is -3. So its absolute value is bigger than 1. So it comes here in the first option. So my function will be narrower than y equals x squared. But since it is negative, it will be open down here in the third option. So my green function here, narrower than original function, yes, it's narrower than black one. and it opens down. And the last one, purple one, and purple one is a is -1/3. So its absolute value between 0 and 1. So parabola is wider than original function. This one is wider than original function. And it is negative, so it is open down. Yes, it is open down. Yeah, we should think about what is A and how is the absolute value of it, which of these options works for it, and then decide it wider, narrower, and then if it's negative, it's open down. If it's positive, opens up. Hopefully this video helps to understand my notes, and if you like it, please push the like button. If you want to watch my more videos, please subscribe my channel from Instagram, YouTube, or Facebook. See you in the next video. Bye.